Hello guys and welcome to Creative Process DIY. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to increase hot water temperature, and I'm gonna show you two ways how you can do it. The first way is adjusting the temperature on your hot water heater. Turn off the power to the water heater. Most electric water heaters have two thermostats, one upper and one lower under two control panels. Some smaller units may only have one thermostat. If your heater has been insulated, you may need to remove insulation to access the thermostat. Pull the wire and lift the insulation. I want you to read manufacturer information regarding water temperature on your water heater and time to produce serious burns on adult skin. After you read this information, now you can adjust temperature on the thermostat. The best temperature setting for the hot water heater is between 120 and 140 degrees. Above 140 degrees, the water is so hot that you can be at risk of scalding in as little as 2 seconds. Once you adjusted the temperature, put the insulation back in place and lock it with the wire. Install the access panel and secure it with a screw. Adjust both thermostats to the same temperature setting. To avoid shortage of usable hot water, do not adjust upper thermostat to the temperature setting that higher than the lower thermostat temperature setting. Put the insulation back in place and lock it with a wire. Install the access panel. Wait for the water to heat up. It may take several hours for a tank of cold water to heat up. Before adjusting the temperature, a TNP valve on my hot water heater was warm. Now, just in 15 minutes, it's getting hotter, and it is a really good sign. The way number 2 is adjusting the temperature on your shower valve. This is Delta tap and shower faucet, and now I'm gonna show you how to adjust temperature on shower valve. Remove the handle. And remove the sleeve. Unscrew the screw and remove handle adapter. Pull the O-ring. Pull the rotational limit stop to adjust the temperature. I'm gonna rotate it to the left, following the arrow to make it hotter. Before installing the handle, you should take this opportunity to check the temperature of your water. I like the temperature, so I'm just gonna start installing everything back in place. After rotational limit stop is in place, push O-ring back into place. Install handle adapter. Install the sleeve. Install the handle and secure it with a screw. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and share this video with others. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.